What up guys, just arrived back at the base, brought some new upgrade parts for our S14 Tomcat, and besides that we're gonna announce a special collaboration with a very special brand that I would say will help us a lot to increase the level on the technical aspect of our cars. Let's go check it out. So here it is, Yellow Speed Racing, brand new coilovers for the S14, and I'm really looking forward putting those on the car and some future collaborations. It means a lot to me and as well to our team that we are co-oping with the Yellow Speed Racing, as some cool drivers are as well on board with this brand, like Forrest Wank in the Formula D. Can't wait to put them on and even more to try them on the racetrack. I'm so excited! Wow. Looks beautiful. Yeah. So these are front coilovers. Let's put them here. And the rears. This is gonna look so nice with our color combo. Okay. And some mandatory toolkit, of course. Is it yellow? Is it gold? Is it black? Black it is. But. And some mandatory stickers, but we have some special for our car, so probably this will go on our how do we call it, sticker collector board, or sticker collector doors, or whatever. Here they are, Yellow Speed Racing coilovers. What can I say? Beautiful product, and it's gonna fit our color combo. And it got me thinking that the next car that should get this upgrade is our 350Z with the gold wheels combo. It should suit nice to the car, but of course, first race car. My priorities have changed in last few years, so the race car is a priority over the street car. We decided to go with the Pro Plus racing models. We figure out that they fulfill our needs for the track, but they came with a certain spring rate that, let's say, we don't like, or we want to have a different one. And in addition to that, we got additional springs, or coils if you want to call them, with a different spring rate. These are actually for the rear, and for the front we are still waiting for them, but they are gonna be just slightly different for what it's already on the front. So we're gonna try out this one first, and later when we get the different ones we're gonna change, we're gonna try them again and then decide with which one of those we want to go. And now I think it's time that Tit jumps into the picture because we need to put them on the car. Before we put them on the car, maybe why the change?
The change is basically the springs, the coils that are on the car are a bit worn out, a bit too stiff for our liking.
Yeah. Way too stiff.
We're all the way soft on the adjustments, so
and it's still hard. Yeah,
it's still too hard, especially in the rear. We need to have the car squat a bit more.
And the how do you call them? The whole damping system and the travel of the how do you call it?
No,
of the rod.
Yeah. All over.
We are expecting this, of course, to work better.
Yeah.
But just right quick, what are these canisters?
So the canisters are basically in mountain biking we call them piggybacks.
Okay.
They hold a nitrogen charge and extra oil, so you get smoother operation for longer. They don't overheat. It's more adjustable usually because they can get better valving in there. It's just a better system usually.
Better system than just a regular one. All right, so before we put this on the car, we need to change the coil on the rear, of course.
Yeah.
Because after it's on the car, you cannot do that. So first things first, let's change the coil. So here it's much simpler to remove the coil spring than on the usual regular car because
no spring compressors, no nothing. Just unpreload the springs.
On the shock absorber.
Yeah, take off the top hat. First we're gonna take a few measurements before, just to see how much preload they have right now. It's 75 millimeters. The new springs are gonna have to have a little more preload, but
we're gonna figure that one out while driving and testing it.
We just have some basic measurements now. Okay.
So you said that's you, and that's the guy she told you not to worry about, right?
Something like that. Yeah.
So yeah, the difference is obvious. Bigger spring load and lighter spring load. It's just the thickness. That's done.
That's done.
Time to lift up the car.
Yeah.
All right. Yellow Speed Racing coilovers mounted to the S14, and now to make things official we need to put on some stickers. To make it in the style of our whole livery concept, we of course made it semi-yellow, but it's Yellow Speed Racing, so let's put it on the car. Have them nice and close to the dampers, of course. Everything back assembled, car is on the ground and ready for the first shakedown. As it comes to the setup, we already did some changes of the original one, and we went like fully soft and then a couple of clicks towards the harder setting, maybe like we are 20% of the soft. We had to change the preload because of the softer spring rate on the springs as we change them, and we're gonna see. So we need to do the shakedown, we need to figure out how this suits us, but I would say that this is far better for what it was before, and I'm like really anxious to try this car out back on the track. So till next time, as we're gonna hit the track. You know what you need to do. Share, subscribe, and leave us some comments. Guys, see ya!
Things are all good. What about the rear system?